Hey everyone, welcome back to Glamour. I am here with a brand new video. Today I am showing you the best collection of new shoes designs. We celebrate the art of fashion and design today. We are taking you on a creative journey through some of the most artistic shoe designs out there. Shoes are more than just something you wear. They are a canvas for creativity, a way to express yourself without saying a word. The designs we are showcasing today are perfect example of how fashion and art come together to create something truly extraordinary. From bold, event-grade styles to intricate, handcrafted details. Each pair is masterpiece in its own right. Where you are drawn to sleek, modern designs or something more whimsical and playful, there is something here to spark your imagination. As you watch, think about how these designs make you feel. Do they inspire you to take risks, embrace your individuality, or simply appreciate the beauty of craftsmanship? Whatever it is, these shoes are there to remind you that fashion is an art form and you are the artist. We have included designs that are perfect for making a statement as well as pairs that are subtle yet stunning in their simplicity. Each one is a celebration of creativity and we can't wait for you to see them. So take a moment to explore these incredible designs with us. Which one resonates with the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Glamour Grid for more artistic inspirations. Thanks for watching and remember,